How old are your ears? Let us find out. Only people under 25 can hear this sound. If you are above 25 and you could hear this sound, bravo, you have super hearing. If you could not hear the sound, don't worry, it's normal. As we age, our ability to hear higher frequency sound reduces. The sound I played was 17,000 Hz that can be easily heard by someone who is in their early 20s. By the time you reach 50s, the highest frequency you can hear is around 12,000. This is a part of normal aging process, so nothing to be worried about. Only thing you have to keep in mind, other external factors like loud sound exposure, metabolic diseases like diabetes, and toxins and some drugs can accelerate this process. So did you hear it or not? Write me down in the comment below. This is Dr. Debayan Tarafdar, ENT surgeon. Let me ask you something.